A very good morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to the online teaching classes. My dear children, in the previous class, we have started a new lesson. That is lesson number 10, My Neighbor. Before starting our today's class, let us have a revise of what we learnt in the last class. My dear children, this is the lesson of Ashish's neighbor. It was 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It was the time when the school was getting over. And as the bell rang, all the children packed their bags and got ready to go home. They came out of their classrooms and got into the school bus one by one. Ashish also was ready to go home, but he was not a bus student. He used to go home by his mother. So, as the bell rang, Ashish walked to the gate and looked for his mother. But today, what happened? Ashish's mother was not there. Every day, she came to take him home from school. But today, Ashish was standing alone and he was waiting for his mother. But she was not there. Ashish waited for more than 20 minutes. But his mother did not come to take him home from the school. At last, Ashish decided to walk home alone because his home was not very far from the school. As Ashish reached home, he knocked the door. But children, no one opened the door. Ashish waited for few minutes and knocked the door again. But this time also no one opened the door. Now Ashish was very tired and hungry. At last he decided to go to his father's shop, which is nearby his house. He decided to get the keys from his father's shop. Now let's continue our lesson. Suddenly he heard the friendly voice of his neighbor. He turned around and saw his neighbor, Mrs. Meera, coming towards him. Ashish, where are you going? She asked. Auntie, Mummy is not at home. I am going to Daddy's shop to get the keys. So, children, as Ashish decided to go to his father's shop to get the keys so that he can open the door, suddenly what happened? He heard one friendly voice and he turned around to see who is calling him. And he saw Mrs. Meera. Who is Mrs. Meera? Mrs. Meera is Ashish's neighbor. Children, I told you earlier that neighbors are the people who live near our house. So, here Ashish's neighbor is Mrs. Meera. When Mrs. Meera saw Ashish going somewhere, she asked him, Ashish, where are you going? And Ashish very sadly replied Mrs. Meera that Auntie, my mother is not at home and I am going to my father's shop to get the keys. Come here, dear. You can stay in our house till your mummy returns. Mrs. Meera said. Ashish ate some snacks and played happily till his mother came home. Thank you, Auntie, Ashish said before he went back to his house. So, children, after listening to Ashish, Mrs. Meera told him to stay in her house till his mummy returns. And Ashish also agreed to wait for his mother in Mrs. Meera's house. Mrs. Meera took proper care of Ashish. She offered some snacks to Ashish. Ashish was already very hungry, so he ate some snacks and played happily till his mother came home. Children, when Ashish's mother came home, Ashish said Mrs. Meera, thank you, and he went back to his house. Children, whenever anyone help you or take care of you, you should always say him or her thank you. So here Mrs. Meera took proper care of Ashish when Ashish was alone. So Ashish said Mrs. Meera, thank you, auntie, and went back to his house. I am sorry, dear. I had a terrible backache, so I had to see a doctor. Ashish's mother said. It's okay, mummy, Ashish said. He sat down to learn his lessons. But that day, Ashish learned a very important lesson: love thy neighbor. So, children, when Ashish came back to his house with his mother, Ashish's mother told him the reason why she couldn't come to take him home from the school. So, children, the reason was that Ashish's mother went to see a doctor. Why? Because she had a terrible backache. So, she went to a doctor to take the medicines. Ashish, after listening to his mother, told her, it's okay, mummy. And then he sat down to learn his lessons. But children, that day Ashish learnt a very important lesson, and the lesson is that love thy neighbor. So, children, this is the end of our story, our lesson, and we also learnt a very important lesson today that we should always respect and love our neighbors. If you will love and respect your neighbors, they will always help you in any condition. So, this is the end of the story. My neighbor, I hope you have learned and understood it very properly. Now, let's move to the new words of this chapter. First word is loudly. Loudly, loudly. Then second word is decided. Decided. Tired, tired. Fourth one, answered, answered, answered. Happily, happily, happily. Knocked, knocked. Voice, voice. Ready, ready. Neighbor, neighbor. Packed, packed. Friendly, friendly. Last word is hungry, hungry. Hungry. Children, read these new words twice and write down the new words in your English copy. Let's move to the next part. That is true or false. Listen to the text carefully as your teacher reads it, then say whether the statements given below are true or false. First one. It was time for the morning prayer. Children, is this statement true? No, it is the false statement because it was the time 3 o'clock in the afternoon when the school was getting over. So, this is a false statement. Second one, the children got into the school bus. Yes, this is a correct statement. It is a true. Third one, Ashish's mother was at the gate. This is a false statement because she was not there at the gate. Fourth, Ashish stayed at his neighbor's house. It's a true statement. Ashish stayed at his neighbor's house, Mrs. Meera. Fifth one, Ashish's mother went to the market. So, children, it is a false statement because Ashish's mother went to see a doctor. She did not go to the market. Next, choose the correct answer. First one, the school bell rang 8. First option is A. 3 o'clock, B. 4 o'clock, and C. 5 o'clock. The correct answer is 3 o'clock. The school bell rang 8, 3 o'clock. A. Second question, Ashish waited for his mother for more than, first option is A. 10 minutes, B. 20 minutes, and C. 15 minutes. So the correct answer is B. 20 minutes. Ashish waited for his mother for more than 20 minutes. Third, when Ashish knocked the door, A. His father opened the door, B. His mother opened the door, and C. No one opened the door. So the correct answer is C. When Ashish knocked the door, no one opened the door. Fourth one, Ashish's father worked in option A, shop, option B, bank, and option C, school. Correct answer is shop. Option A. Ashish's father worked in a shop. Fifth one, Mrs. Meera is option A, Ashish's mother, B, Ashish's aunt, and C, Ashish's neighbor. Correct option is C. Mrs. Meera is Ashish's neighbor. So, children, this is the end of our lesson. And read the true or false, choose the correct answer, and the new words properly. I hope you have learned the lesson and understood the lesson very properly. Question answers you will get in the next video. Till then, bye, take care. Thank you.